Hello friends, and today I'm Rakesh Beniwal, and today I'm going to tell about that this is a laptop battery, and you can see that it is Leon rechargeable battery pack. So today I'm going to open this, and you can see from here this is battery, and let's open it. I have cut it into pieces. So the first you can see that inside a laptop battery you can see these six cells. These are six cells like a normal cells. These cells are connected, and now these are wires. This is a circuit from which this is connected, and now I'm going to pull this off. Oh, it is very tight to open. So see, these are stuck to the battery by some glue, so that they cannot be removed by easily. Now we have removed these cells, and this is the remaining part. Now we will just throw it away, and this is the inner diagram, or you can say the circuit of a laptop or battery. Now this is the barcode here, and this is the receiving panel, or this is the current flowing panel. It receives current from the cells and pass it to the laptop, and these are some microboards here which control the battery. And one more thing that I want to show you is that you can see here that this is of 4400 mAh, and direct current is 10.4 volt. So now I am going to pull this circuit off, and these are very tightly. Oh, you can see that the two cells are combined to each other and then to this circuit by a steel plate, and this is the steel plate, and so that they cannot be. Now I'm trying to pull this by an iron rod, and I'm going to hit them. See, some I have once removed cell, and you can see that this cell have his own number and his own unique identity of this sticker. This sticker is the unique identity of this cell, and this cell is green in color, metal rod on it, and this is the circuit. The circuit is also having its unique identity, and now you can see that this is the structure of the battery, and six cells are connected to each other, and when one cell loses its power completely, then the power of the whole battery is discharged. And you can see these cells are made up of Samsung company. They are made up of Samsung, and these cells are normal, quite bigger than the normal cells, and they are very much effective. So whenever you are going to buy any laptop or any other equipment of laptop, then just first try to understand that what is written on this side of the battery, that how many mAh of the battery is. More the mAh of the battery, more power it will give to you. And this was the complete circuit of an laptop battery. And oh, I have wasted my battery on this video, so it needs a quite confidence and courage for me. So please like this video, comment, share and subscribe. My laptop battery is gone.